Hi friends! We will see how to make such an animation in After Effects in a short time. Before moving on to the video, I would like to say that I am sorry that most of the viewers are not subscribers. Okay, if everyone is subscribed, let's move on to the video. I imported the Illustrator file beforehand and named the layers beforehand to avoid wasting time. Let's look at the dimensions of the composition. The composition is 1920 x 1080, 30 frames per second, and the background color is white. First, we open and activate the position of the cart layer. We come to frame 20 and adjust its position like this. Then, we select Pen tool, and we add a mask to the cart layer. Thanks to this mask, the cart will look like it is entering the phone. Now, we activate the mask path of the cart layer. When the cart layer is closer to the phone, we keep the mask path as it is. Then, we adjust the mask path as you see in the last keyframe of the position. Now we select all the keyframes and give them easy ease. Now, we open the position of the coin layer and activate it. And we set it as you can see. Then, we go to 1 second 15 frame. And we set the position of the coin like this. And we play with the position settings to make it curved. Now we select all the keyframes and give them easy ease. Okay, so far so good. Now, we will add a mask to the coin layer. This will make it look like the coin is coming out of the phone. Now, we activate the coin mask path. And we will go through the mask frame by frame and adjust it to fit the whole of the phone. Okay, so far so good. Very good. We are not finished yet. Now, we activate the scale and rotation of the coin layer. We come to 1 second 15 frames, we make the scale 200 and the rotation 50. Now, we open the scale of the wallet layer. When the coin is about to fall into the wallet, we activate the scale of the wallet layer. We move forward a few frames and set its value to 110. Again, we move forward a few frames and set its value to 100. Now, we will do the same for the text layer. First, we open the scale of the layer. Then, when the coin comes out of the phone, we activate the scale of the text layer. We go forward 5 frames and set its value to 110. We go forward 5 frames again and set its value to 100. Okay, very good. Now, we will use masking to make it look like the coin is about to fall into the wallet. For this, we will hide the masking that the coin is about to fall into the wallet. Then we will go frame by frame and fix the masking. Okay, very good. The following operations are exactly the same. First, we copy and duplicate the coins, and adjust the masking according to the movement of the wallet. Then, we correct the scales of both the wallet and the text layer in the same way. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would be happy if you share your thoughts. See you in the next videos.